Hello everyone, welcome to the Nilesh Technology. So this is the video number 19, and from the video number 1st to 18 we will cover the lot of basic concepts of React. So according to that the concept, we will plan to do the some small level of a React project. So this is the mini project 1, movie listing. So we are planned to list the number of movies in a one frame, okay, using the props and the components. So I hope you enjoy this video. So let's start it using the program. Let me open the VS Code. So in that VS Code I just create some basic project. So I copy the first tab to movie list and hit the npmi. Okay, so all kinds of project source code available in the Git repositories. Please go to the description of this the video and refer the code. Okay, so let me start the server. cd 19 npm start. Yeah, server is started. Let me open the inspect as well. Fine. So it's a hello program. In the app.js it just shows the hello. Let me zoom. I think it's very big. Okay, I hope you guys are visible to the code properly. Okay, so let me go to the some reference websites. I need to download the some movies related the photos, or what we say that the wallpaper, and accordingly we are planned to show the movie images into the projects. But before that, let me just design the some scratch level of a code inside the app. Okay, so in here this is the parent. Let me add a one div. Okay, inside this div I just add a one more div, and so outside div class name is the cards. I'm just plan to write the some css code. Okay, I think you will get the idea how to get or how to design the HTML code using the css. Okay, and this is the single card. So this is the card. After that I just repeat the internal div multiple time, so that's why I just use the two divs. Then for example, here is my one image. So initially there is no source, so I just put the hash. Alt is that the image. Okay, after that I just add a one more div. The class is that it's a card info, like the card information. After the image I just want to combine the multiple texts, like the movie title, like the description, like that. Okay, so div. Then the another span is that I just set the some heading like Netflix original series. Okay, then in header 3 I just pass any series name, so I just pass the dark. Then I need to add a hyperlink tag, so like watch now. So like that I just plan to design some code like this way. So now there is no image path, so that's when image is not able to display. And this is the Netflix original series. Why I add this name? Because when you are trying to add a different series of a different different movies platform, so just put it the platform name, then movie name, and the link to go to that the platform page directly. Okay, so this is the basic things I had to design. Let me give the some class name of each and everything, but before that I just add the some CSS. So this is the app.js, right? So let me add some design code inside the app.css. Here is the app.css. Let me import here. App.css. I think dot slash. Okay. Let me check, is it working properly or not. H3, I just changed the color. H3 color is red. Yeah, see, it's that CSS thing is applied successfully. So let me add some first common design code. Like I just set the some box sizing is the border box. So entire thing is like the border box. I just said the padding is, for example, 10 pixel, and the margin is margin is 10 pixel, or if you want to set 0, you can set it 0. And I just said the background color is like the gray color, light gray color, or you can set it any. Yeah, so this way it's a background color. Where is text? Okay, I think I use the padding margin more. Let me set the 0. Okay, let me remove this one. This is not the issue. I think background color. Okay, let me try some hash code. Okay, I don't know why this is happen. Fine, let me comment this thing for temporary purpose. Let fixed some later after some time. So we import the app.css as well. I think yeah, app is the component. I think we need to set this code in the index.css. Index.css is the parent. When you set the parent background color, so it's applied. Let me check in here. Import CSS, import the app. Yeah, first let the import the app, then apply the CSS color. I think here as well. Okay, so how to fix it? I just put the global CSS code inside the index.css and applied in here. If in your project this is working properly in app.css, then you can continue, no issue. Okay, now let me put the some code in cards. So I just said the some I just add 2 to 3 times y this card is from here to here. Copy. I don't know, I think there is some issue. Let me restart the server again. I don't know why this is happen. Okay, fine, something there is some issue maybe. Okay, fine. So it's now showing 2 times, one is here, one is here. When I paste one more time, so it's showing 3 times, 1 2 3. Okay, it's showing 3 times. I just use the hard refresh, Control Shift R, so it's 3 times. So for that I just set the some global card related thing. So let me put the entire CSS inside the index.css. So cards, it's a class name, so use a dot. So let me fix the width is that the 100% and the height is the auto. Control Shift R, width 100%, height is auto. For the card, this inside card, okay, so inside the card, let me set some margin for 5%, yeah, 5% to the entire for all sides. Okay, then if you want to set the background color, set some background color. Okay, let me set some width, for example 20%. It's very small, 30%. Yeah, I think, yeah, I just set some maximum zoom, so that's why it's looking the width is very small. So I think 20% or 30% is okay. Okay, so I just said the float is left, so whatever space is available, so this is adjusted on the left side. +30, 60 and some margin space, so that's why the third box is not set to here, because we set in percentage width. Okay, so fine, let me add some box shadow. It's look like it's this one. If you are not aware of this, please go to the syntax. Okay, so I just set some box shadow and I want to set some border radius 12, just rounded the all sides. I think not all sides, yeah, I think all sides 12. If you want to set the border, set it, but I think this is looking good for now. Fine, I just add the card hover property. Card hover, when I move my mouse pointer to the card, so it is affected, but before that I need to set the some transition in here, because when my mouse pointer is moved to here, move to the card, so it's look like this. So it's a transition property and it's a transform scale. Okay, so using this, it look like this way. When you set the width is 25%, I think 25, 50, but here we set the margin for all side 5%, so that's why the 3 cube is not fit. Let me convert the 2%. Yeah, now it's okay, or 3%. Now it's okay. Okay, it's totally up to you how you want to show. Accordingly you can set it. Let me display some image. Okay, yeah, so before that, so where we get the all the images files, so I think lot of sites are there. You can download the any wallpaper of any movie name. So I just open the Google. Inside this Google, I just set the Netflix dark movie. So I just go to this link. Yeah, so this is the link. I just copy and copy in here, watch now. So when the user is click on that button, watch now, it's redirected to the this link. But if you want to open to the new tab, then set the target equal to underscore blank. Okay, so target equal to underscore blank. So see here, watch now, let's go to this link. Okay, now this is done. I just want to copy the any wallpaper, dark movie. When we go to the images, okay, go to the any image where you are able to download the wallpaper. I think this is very small. I just want to some big image, or you can use directly online link as well. There is site wallpaper cave. Go to this site, search here Netflix dark. Fine. So I think this image is good. So click on this image, right click, copy image address and paste it on here, save. Let me check. Yeah, so that image is added here directly. I just set the some online link. Fine. Let me set some image fixed width and height. Okay, then it's looking good. So I go to the I just need to set the name of this image, class name. Set the class name equal to card image. So go to here, card image. Yeah, so see, I just set the width 100% and I just reduce the height is to 35 pixel and set the border top left radius is 12 pixel, top right radius is a 12 pixel, this one. So it look it's look good. And think when I try to look on some maximum zoom, so on that time the I think the inspect is not required. I think it now it's looking good. Okay, then inside the card info, okay, I just set the some CSS. You can set it any colors, any dimension as per your thought. Okay, so this card info is a single underscore. Yeah, I think the background white color is not looking good. I don't use the background color now. Yeah, or set some similar color. I think it's okay. it's okay. Okay, now card category, title and button, class name, card category, class name, card title, and watch now is indirectly button, so class name equal to this is button. I just convert this watch now to the button format. So let's set it some CSS. So card category, text color I think not required, fine. I just set the same background color in here. Okay, looking good. Font size, let me increase some more. Letter spacing, font weight, I think 500 is enough. Then card title, so let me set the same background color in here. Okay, I think we set, yeah, it's looking good. And the button, so I think that font family I'm not it added, so this default font is able to display, but it's okay. Button, it's a class name, watch now. Padding, font size, letter spacing, yeah, text decoration none, so underline is remove, and text center, text align center, okay, fine. So it's a hyperlink tag, so that's why. Okay, I think I just create some basic design. If you want to do the more research, you can do it, no problem. Now let me remove this two div and copy this div to 3 times, one more time. Okay, so see, it's look like this way. I just want to change some movie name and some images as well. Okay, let me check the some another movies. Okay, fine. So clothes, so Netflix, back, Netflix, sweet tooth. Let's go to the directly link, so it's a link, copy. Okay, then go to the VS Code of the second link here, remove, paste. Then sweet tooth, let me find the wallpaper. sweet tooth Netflix. Okay, you can use anyone. I just use this one. Copy image address and remove this address. Set here sweet tooth. Okay, fine. Okay, go to the another one, like Netflix, Stranger Things. Copy this one, this link, and here okay, so go to back, Stranger Things, copy image address, here. So accordingly you can continue. I just use the 3, I just repeat this one. So like that, when you click on watch now, it redirected to the this link. When I click on watch now, it's redirected to the this one. So like that, I just add some 4 cards and create this one. Now let's do it some more research inside this application. So which kind of a research? So first research is like, I just want to switch the each and every card to the separate component. So this is the advantage of React application. Why the React is popular? Because React is a component base. So let me create a one more src file. So file name is that card.js. okay, RAFCE. This is the card, and for that card I just want to move this one card, Control X to here. And pass the src name, then category name, title name, everything information we will pass by props. Okay, so let me save. So we can see here one card is move. So I just import the card and add the card here. So see it's showing here. So I just move this code from here to another component. Accordingly it is displayed. So for this card I just pass the image src, just Control X, pass the props like img src, this one, then img link, link url, this one, then this one card category as well, card category, then card title, So all this information is coming from app.js to card.js, because this is the dynamic information, right? Okay, so this is coming from here, props. Okay, let me save. So see, all this information is gone. There is nothing here. Okay, there is nothing here, no image, no title. So we pass all information by props. So coming to here, so inside this image, I just use props dot imjsrc. See, image is displayed. Then inside here, props dot card category. Here, props dot card title, and link URL here, props dot link URL. So let me save everything. Check now, click now, it's redirected to the Netflix site. I think it's working properly, right? The card is ready. It's a dynamic information. We need to just pass all the information from here to here. Let me copy this card 4 times, second, third, fourth. We just need to change the information, right? So let me change the URL. I think we just copy the one by one. Okay, so let me remove this image to this image, then this link to link, then this one is the title to title, and I think this one is the same. Let me remove this card. Okay, copy this card one more time, third time. This is the third information. Yeah, change the imjsrc, change this one URL, then change the title, right? And fourth one is same as a first one. Remove this div. Only one div is required, the outside div. Just copy the first one here one more time and save everything. Hard refresh, Control Shift R. Now it's working. Fine. Now the code is converted to the as a component level, right? So I just want to now convert the one more level. So that level is like the we just get all this information from the one of the JSON file. So accordingly, we not required to repeat the card again and again. We instead of this, we use the one for loop. Okay. So for that, let me create a one file in here. So for example, this is the data file. So data movie data dot js. Okay, this is the just for the data file. So const m data equal to, this is the array of object, and inside this we just convert Control X to here, but need to convert into object. Like here we use the colon and separated by comma, like that we convert. We just move this one, Control X, comma, this is second one, third one, right, comma, 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 remove equal, use colon, fine. Let me use this one more time, save, and here there is nothing from the card. Okay, so let me import the movie data. Import. So this is the, we need to export it as well. Export default, I think export like this way, export default mdata. Fine, now we are able to import here. Import mdata from movie data. Okay, so when we try to console before the return, console.log mdata equal to comma mdata. So just check in console. So see, this is the mdata array of object, right? So we are successfully able to get the mdata. Now this is the array of objects. So with the help of some built-in methods, we are trying to get the trying to get the each and every object, and we just passed it into the cards. So for that, inside this card, let me use the JavaScript brackets, and inside that mdata dot we use a map method. Inside that map we got the each and every object. Okay, and for that we use a card. So see, that object is used 4 times. So accordingly that card is repeated 4 times. So mdata dot map, this is the object, but this card need to be written to this card. Yeah, so see, these 4 things is coming. Each child is a unique key prop. Yeah, I think it's repeated, so you need to pass the some key parameter. So comma index, just pass the key equal to index. Refresh. Yeah, so its warning is we resolve this warning. Index is like 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now in object have the value of this each and every object. So obj dot imjsrc get the image source. Okay, so accordingly we pass the other props. imjsrc equal to object dot image source. Let me test it. Yeah, all the image is displayed properly. Same. The another one is that card category, then card title, then link URL. Fine. So equal to object dot card category equal to object dot card title equal to object dot link URL. Let me save everything, Control Shift R. So it's looking good. So card is not repeated again and again. So whenever there is some new data is coming, so it will be added in this the array. So assume that you already write one API, that data is coming from the database, that data is stored into the one of the database table. So whenever the data is inserted into the database table, like the fifth record is inserted, or one of the record is modified, or one of the record is deleted, accordingly it is reflected into the UI form. Okay, so that's why we just use the JSON data. This is the array of object data like the JSON data, and we use to get that the data, we convert this code into the multiple components. Okay, and like this we are successfully able to see the movie list. So I hope you like the video. So we will see the more examples in some upcoming videos. So please like and subscribe this channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye. Thank you.